Let's now get you pictures of women's rights activists protesting against the deputy chairperson of Rajya Sabha, PJ Kurian, outside parliament. These are pictures even as President Pranab Mukherjee was speaking inside the parliament, speaking about the ordinance that was brought in to make the country safer for women. Here are women's rights activists who are protesting, demanding that PJ Kurian, the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha, he resigns immediately and faces a probe, an independent probe in the Suryanelli rape case. Headlines today's Atish Srivastav brings you this report.
We are right outside Parliament Gate number 1, and you can see the women protesters are here protesting against PJ Kurian continuing as deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha. You can see the gates have also been locked. There are almost 10 to 15 women protesters who have come from different parts of the city, and they want that action should be taken against PJ Kurian because there has been nothing which has been done so far. There have been clear case against him. There was investigation, but nothing came out. But they still believe that he should not preside over any ordinance which takes care of women's safety. You can see that it is becoming difficult for police officials to disperse this crowd.
We are demanding the removal of Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha PJ Kurian from that post because he is an accused in Suryanelli sex scandal case, and victim is repeatedly naming him. So the ordinance is coming to the House for debate, and when the ordinance is there for debate, we don't want to see Mr. Kurian.
Do you think nothing has been done so far against him? In the clear case, I think nothing has been done so far.
That's why we are having this demonstration today.
So as you heard them, this is the demand that action should be taken. He should not continue as deputy chairperson of Rajya Sabha. With cameraman Hemant, Atish Srivastav in Delhi for Headlines Today.